May baby boss.
Ay, ha? You're so proud.
May lady guard.
Hello?
May lady guard.
Hindi ka Patrick nagsabi. Tapos to.
I think, kung chinos ni Ate Noemi yung lang, chinos na din sa sarili niya. Nahirapan ka ba na Ate Noemi?
Yung pumunta ko doon, nahirapan ako.
Hindi. Nag-choose ka ba? Nahirapan ka pumili ka ba na hindi ako mag-stay dito or pumunta doon?
My decision was final na pumunta ko doon.
Because of
Yung love is pero it's very easy to introduce yourself.
That's my first.
Kasi nakakalimutan mo
Grabe yung tao. Kita ko na yung ano, malakal. Ayun na lang. Ano boss mo
It's not
siya?
a bad thing you are. It's just that you have to not forget yourself.
Ewan ko lang.
Dapat may konting lang.
Parang baby.
Madam Baby.
Parang baby.
Ano?
Nice.
Ano nga yun? Nakalimutan ko. Remember ko ba na si Dory? Ano? Ay, may knowledge mo. Sino
Pero
na
kasi,
siya?
ako yung pinakabata.
Ako yung kinilig
With
niya.
accent.
Oo. Uy, normal lang mag-crush.
Later, pag tayo lang dalawa.
Bakit ano? It's okay to have a crush.
Ay, dito, yun.
Ako nanay na nanay yun. It's okay to have a crush.
Kasi yung ibang nanay parang, ha? Nagka-crush ka na.
And it's okay to have
Pero,
unserious
choice naman nila yun.
husband.
Ano, what?
It's okay to have unserious husband.
Makamakay ulit.
Right? Actually.
Why? Because it was just, I was cooking and then my mind was fine and I was like, oh, my husband is the first serious husband.
Sana all.
So parang,
Dahil siya mag-impake ka na doon.
pinapauwi ka na ng asawa mo.
Asang ano daw po. Siya naman nag-e-enjoy.
I think he is happy. He's very happy for me.
Yes.
Kasi ano siya, very supportive.
Pero ngayon niya lang nalaman na siya yung first serious.
Lagi nga yung joke, sabi niya sa akin, my first joke. Sabi ko, joke na lang.
Yeah.
Well, tatawa ko sa love is not just about, marriage is not just about killing. It's also a commitment. Love is not just about, marriage is not about love. It's also a commitment. Kasi there comes a time na may, siguro mga 3 years yung parang honeymoon stage.
Makakuha out of love ka po.
It's not like falling out of love, but you still love the person. But
Nasanay ka lang.
Nasanay ka lang. Ganun.
Ate Noemi, masaya ba siya?
There should be a balance.
Masaya siya na nandito. Wait lang. May
Multiple
two types
choice
of
na
love
yung
para
kay
sa akin. Yung isa, proud siya na mag-grow
Love
up.
is the
Yung
test
isa naman,
sa yung multiple
ayaw
choice.
niyang ma-expose ko sa maraming tao kasi feeling niya.
Love is not obsessed.
Gusto ko eh.
With the you don't own the person,
Yeah.
even if you're together. You cannot
Pero may
control
point
how
din
they
sila.
feel.
Do you believe in
Kailangan mo ng
prenup?
Wait
Ha?
lang, ikaw kuya.
Prenup.
Ikaw may girlfriend.
Are you okay with it?
Ano siya? Proud na siya sa'yo.
Yung parang...
Pero
Parang
if you
arrangement.
got it, going away anything.
Pero yung tiwala.
But it depends naman. For example, if we break up, maghiwalay kayo as mag-asawa, all of my
Kasi kung ano ako.
assets are just mine. All of this is just his.
I think it depends
Or
on
if he cheats on me, he gives me $1 million.
I think depende yun sa couple. Pero para ako, depende. Para sa akin, no. Kasi you have to trust everything to me and I have to trust everything to you. So it's a give and take.
Isa naman kasi ko yung
Give and take mo talaga ang relationship.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi po, pwede puro receive ka lang ng receive kasi ma-drain yung ano ng partner.
For safety lang naman. Siguro.
Oo, yung iba for safety din. For example, yung yung isa may mga anak na.
As long as my kids
Yeah. You
get what they have,
Yes.
what they need.
Oo. So, yun yung usual na ginagawa pag may mga anak na yung isa or yung dalawa. They have to protect the right of their kids. So, it's not bad. Basta nagkakaano kayo.
In direction.
Ay, sa akin yun.
Ah.
Kasi para
Nagagano.
I think my genuine feelings
At saka yung, alam mo yun, yung kilig, bumabalik-balik siya. After the 100 mistake,
after that, every hour.
oo, bumabalik-balik siya. Hindi naman every hour, yung parang nakakalimutan mo na yung together kayo na lang. Tapos, parang naapaalala mo, we're together pa.
Delikado ko sa'yo
Tsaka ano lang, kahit pag mali ang babae mo, gusto mo
Bumabanat eh.
Depende din sa laki. Depende din sa kanila. Pero sa amin, oo, ganun.
Ano?
Ako
Kailangan
kasi,
niya mag-sorry.
no choice. Dapat ikaw ang magsasorry. Ako nag-sorry dyan. Mali niya.
Pero,
Ano yun?
ay,
Ako nulungan.
dapat yung balance. Kung may balik din siya, dapat din siya mag-sorry.
Hindi naman pwede ikaw lang. Kasi masasanay yan eh.
No, dapat,
Mapunong ka rin eventually. Kahit gano'n ka kabait, mapupuno ka talaga. Napapagod.
like what you said, it's a give and take. If you respect someone, and if you love that person, you have to set boundaries also for yourself.
And bababaan mo din doon.
Babaan mo din yung pride mo kung kasalanan mo talaga. Bye, ganyan.
Wait lang, may hindi pa ako ng kwento sa'yo. Hindi pa ako nakwento. Kasi yung family namin. Kay Kuya Dan ko pa lang pala yung
Story.
kay Kuya Dan ko pala yung yung family namin may sumpa
Anong sumpa?
sa boys.
Oh.
Wala sa lola ko. Sa tita ko.
Actually, for me, sumpa is not true. It depends on the family. Maybe it's
Pag-
your
It's sumpa.
parang pinapaniwalaan mo na yan
Modernized.
sa ano ko, so mangyayari din sa akin.
For me, it's sumpa. If you were in my situation.
From a
Like
guy.
traumatized.
Ate, you can talk more about
Bakit ano nangyari?
Kasi lagi silang iniwan. So,
I will finish.
kami. Basta,
Lagyan mo na lang stress.
traumatized na. Yung lola ko,
Ayaw mo lang
straight niya kasi iniisip niya, masakit siya.
Ilipat mo na lang ng
Ay ba?
ano yung sabi mo?
Nakikinig kami sa'yo. Or listen.
Yung sinabi mo earlier.
Oo, nakikinig kami.
Nakikinig ka.
Ako nakikinig ako.
Wala na.
Yung sabi mo, iniiwan ka lagi.
Nakakatraumatize.
Anak.
Kaya nasabi ko sumpa.
I think you can hindi ka kaya lang na ano. Huwag ka nang magsalita ng takot. Because you don't know the future. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na yung nangyari sa kanila, yun din yung nangyari. Maybe there is something